Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Brother MFC-L2800DW. It's a 4-in-1 printer. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to your mobile phone. You need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network via Wi-Fi network, and also we connected this using Brother Mobile Connect app. This is Brother Mobile Connect app. To scan your document, open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. You need to make sure the document starts from your left. So stick the document and make sure the document starts from the left side. So this is A4 paper. Then close the scanner. Then select scan from the app, and also from the setting it will show you the color is mono. Document size, you select the document. If you are scanning any other type of document, you can scan 4x6, 3.5 by 5 inches, 5 inches by 7, or A4, heavier is A4, or A5 executive legal letter, half letter, 3.5 inches by 2.4 inches. So these are the documents you can select. It's currently we selected A4. It's highlighting blue. Then you go back. Then resolution, select resolution. The maximum is 300 dpi on the mobile phone. So it's currently 300 dpi. It's highlighting blue. If you want to select 200, for example, you tap on the 200, it will change to 200. But you want this to be in 300 dpi. Then you select scan. This is the document we scanned. If you want to add another page, open up the scanner, scan the back, close the scanner, then select add pages. So these are the documents we scanned, 2 pages. And once you're done, then you select done. Here they are. If you want to save this document or share this document, you select to share this document, you select share. You can attach it to your email and send it to somebody. But we want to save this document to the phone. To save this document, then you select save. Showing us now is saved. So this document now is saved. And also another thing is you select the settings for you to change the file type. The first one we saved was photo. We want to save it as PDF. So you select PDF, then go back. It will show you PDF normal. Then you select save. And then you select save on your phone. So this document now is saved. It will show you that it's saved. If you want to print it out, you select print icon on top. Then you wait for the document to be preview or attached. So you can see this is the first one. You need to wait for the second one. So these are the documents we scanned. And to print it out, go to the print settings first. Then you select the paper A4, how many copies, quality. After you select all these features, then you go back, then select print. These are the documents we scanned, printed it out. So this is how to scan your document from this printer to your mobile phone, save it on your mobile phone, print it out, and also you have option for you to share this document by selecting share. Then you attach the email address of the person. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.